Good morning. Who is the first one that texted there? Who is the first one that texted there? Fayaz. How are you, my friend? How is it going with your trading, Fayaz? Did not hear updates from you. How is it going for you? You're not like me taking some breaks. I hope you're doing well. Not like am I doing in this period, surviving. I mean, not really surviving, not in the fact that doing something crazy, to be honest. I'm just looking at the market and trading very safe for the moment. Learning and pushing, learning and pushing. You're not trading? Yeah, same. The only things I'm doing in these days, I'm buying more crypto, and that's all. I'm just really buying cryptos and crypto. I'm gonna buy more today and tomorrow, and buy more the next days. No, next days, no, next weeks. I think I'm gonna just stack up crypto for long term. Mohammed is gonna hate me for that. So how did we do in from yesterday? That's nice session. We pushed quite strongly there. Do we have all-time high somewhere there? I don't think so. All-time high. No, we are far from all-time high. Oh my god. How many freaking data I have here? Oh my god. I have to clean all this. Can I clean it by a right button? Style. I wanna remove everything. Romanize drawing tools. Remove all. Ah, it's time to have it clean. My God. So daily chart. What Jose saw? Good morning, Mohammed. Stream freezing. Should be. I'm connected to the best Wi-Fi, guys. I'm really connected to the best Wi-Fi. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Afonso. So what do we see here is we see this resistance here on the daily chart that can be still resistance right now, but it's very nice that this daily candle open high. So from my point, we look very strong on upside momentum right now. Can I change the color of these things to make it more interesting? Red or support? No, red. And I don't know how to make it inside, feel inside as well. I have to go to the settings. See you guys. Tomato, not trading today. It's okay. It's good. No trading is trading. That's what we say every time. No trading is trading. Skipping some days is good, guys, for your mental health as well. Good morning, Mufti. How are you, man? Mufti. Just made me laugh because we text each other 2 days ago. Market opened. So we have this area of support. Let's go back to the 1 hour chart. That's beautiful, guys. That's really beautiful. Like Jose saw. That's a beautiful break and retest happening right now there. Is it coming to liquidate these lows before pumping to the highs? That would be interesting. Trump cost me, and what happened with during Trump? This where was this? Oh, what the heck happened yesterday? This was yesterday, yeah. Wow, this happened yesterday in few minutes, 130 points, and then another 150 points. I did not see this. I mean, I was not here. I mean, I don't check the market after I close the live, so. Fayad's Fayad is the manipulation guy, manipulator. Bring us some money. I mean, we already took pre-market high. It's good chance we're coming for these lows. He says he's gonna fire Powell. I mean, he has been saying the same thing since he got it to the power, so it's not. Yeah, it's not. That's does not seem a surprise for the moment. Trump has been doing crazy things since he got to power. The last bill they accepted, how is called, the beautiful bill, something like that. Honestly, it was quite insane because I read, I watched a video about someone explaining it and how this bill is just removing health insurance for low income people and decreasing tax for big earners. Yeah, it's crazy for me when you read something like that. You're like, how the heck people can still accept something like this? It's insane. Great big, yeah, great big beautiful bill. Great big beautiful. It's just crazy. He used this simple word, but people are simple. So when they read something like this, they're like, ah, it's great and it's big and it's beautiful. It's a beautiful bill. Now have no benefits. Oh my god, I'm really sorry for such many people, man. Yeah, it's really for people that have low income or having problems or old, they're done. Excuse my language. I don't know if you said something or you're ready to say something and you're ready. Excuse my language, and then bomb. Yeah, and since yeah, this is it's so fucked up. It's so fucked up, to be honest. So we're talking the London lows here. Yeah, we're taking London lows, guys. This is getting very interesting. I mean, to be honest, let's not TP. Let's put how much is the 10 points? 41, 42, no 40. Let's 40 ticks and free contracts. I'm just and I do it at 70. Even 80, I will do it. He say most of people made it. He say I said he was a piece of okay, yeah. But no, I'm really sorry for these people, guys. It's insane. It's really insane. Sorry for they have to go through these things. So one TP has been hit. I still like the 80s, so I can add one contract there at the 80s. Another entry. Looking for 10 points again. And 70s. Free trades like this, all of the free consecutive green, you're out on the day. Well, it's not bad, right? 80s again. I like these 80s. This is a long in my normal way. This is a long. This is a beautiful long. If I have to go pick up a number on a random no, not a random PA. Which was the PA I was using last time? PA. We can use PA 50 or 48. PA 48. Okay, we're long again with these evaluations. And I will add on the 70s. We were thinking like rocking this. I think we have a good chance to bounce here. Really good chance to bounce. A really good chance to bounce. Take me out at these 10 points. And we are out. This is already the third consecutive green trade. I'm looking if I can get the 90s again. I'm just, this is an evaluation, just testing out. I'm just testing out. 70s again. If it wants to come back, we'll go again with the 70s. Just because we are big levels here. You can see it on the top left. Big levels. So there is good reason to bounce there. 48. Let me go to 48, guys. I want to enter long here. Yes. No, what the heck? Stop loss will be at the lows. Good morning, Abdel. Good morning. So what was the evaluation? 161. So for example, 161, I am done on the day, and I close this one, close these things, and I'm done on the day. I'm thinking, maybe call me stupid, but I'm thinking to move to something like this. What is the idea? I've done it before, and I got 2 or 3 payouts a long time ago. And the idea is to scalp for, depending on volatility. During New York session, I will go for 10 points. Average down only 1 or twice, like I've done before here, and cut myself out at $400 loss. I will put a max loss of $400. Let it 400, 450, I'm out. And I will add at round numbers, 80s, 70s, try to get 10 points somewhere there, and see. I'm just thinking about doing it on one account, only one account, nothing more. 1 PA for a while, and see how it works. Or one evaluation, like for example, this evaluation 161 will be 1 PA, and I made $227 if it's a 50K account, and I'm done. That's the idea. But I have to back test it and forward test it. So it's gonna be around levels coming from the daily chart, from the 1 hour chart. So for example, I'm not gonna do buying here, right? I'm not gonna try to buy here or sell here. If the hour chart is telling me more that this is the area of support, there is a good chance that there is gonna be a bounce. So I'm looking for that. Not financial advice. You're right. You're right. Always remember to say that. Not financial advice. Before we all get. Oh shit! Not financial advice. We're going for the long on the PAs. This is old strategy liquidation grab. I'm just liking it so much that I'm like, I'm gonna take it. And just free macros, losing $170 on my 300K account. How is the live, by the way? Guys, since I got here, my live amount of people decreased a lot, just because it's losing a lot of viewers. Is it crashing for you, or is it okay? Did it stabilize? Let me know. Today, I hope it's better at least. How is it right now? It seems not the best. Let me know, fam. Let me know. If is everything okay? Who is there to tell me if it's okay? No one is there. No one is there. I really don't know, because I really don't understand if these things is working correctly. It's a bit of a pain, by the way. But the long is working, guys. The long is working very well. Bro, it's good. Oh, Afonso, thank you. At least, Afonso, you're looking fresh. Look at that. Look at full looking fresh. That's the way to do it. I mean, it's super hot because I'm streaming outside the house, so it's freaking hot here. And we're already at 1-to-1 risk reward there, by the way, guys. We are already at 1-to-1 risk reward. My beautiful old candles are still working. Ansas candle are still working, guys, after the London was taken out. What? Look at that push. Look at that push. Look at that push, guys. So for example, right now, I don't think there is no need to risk anymore. We're already at, we're risking 147, we're already at 170. There is no need to risk anymore to get stopped out from this. And do we have news later? Oh, that's a beautiful candle, guys. The 5 minutes candle is pushing us like insane. Let me get the round number as a protect profit here, 150. In the meantime, let's move to, again, okay, stream health. This time is not the best, but it should be fine. Who is long? Who's of you is long, guys? Who is long? Well, up to $190 now. And it happened in like 5 minutes, even less. I would say 4 minutes since our entry. Let me go again. 50 minutes range is closing right now, and our 50 minutes range is this one, the bottom and this high. That is going to be our 50 minutes range. Afonso is the one that is testing a lot the continuation of the 50 minutes. Honestly, if a candle closes, oh my god, if the candle closes above here, this is a beautiful continuation until the highs. It's beautiful. It's looking sweet there. Afonso, are you trading them with your PA right now, or you're still backtesting it only? Mufti the cat, did you take any trades? Nick, Tomato is out today. Fayaz is not trading today. Mohammed, are you trading with your ES? No trades. I'm looking at your ES here on the bottom left. Yeah, there is not that much there, right? I changed strategy and it's looking good. Tell me. We're ready to hear. What do you mean? 50 minutes strategy or whatever? I lost $800 so far trying to short. Crap. It's okay. You're still learning with your future evaluation account. Code the short until 8 p.m. lows, and now we are pushing. So you code the short to get here. 8 p.m. lows. 8 p.m. lows. You mean these lows? And you're long right now. If your strategy is copying me, you're gonna make billions. Not financial advice. Oh, this is low. That makes, honestly, it made sense because for me, the fact that we took the highs here before we took yesterday high, there's a good chance then it needs to go for now to the positive direction and take the previous low, and it did it. It came, it took the previous low, and now we're bouncing again to go back to the highs. Not bad. Not bad at all. I can even add to this position. Yeah, okay, definitely. It's a good period to backtest, to be honest. July and August are not famous as a great months to trade, but we can use them as a good months to learn, improve, and then share together. At the end of it, in September, we come back and we're like back all in. Yeah, 50 minutes range is being rejected right now. Yes, 45, 40. This is the 50 minutes range. If you can see it, this is it. This was the high. It's getting rejected right now, so not the best. Usually with the other one, backtesting strategy, this will be a short right now, and something like short full. What is it? Short. So it will be something like that. And this as a 50 or a full. But let's see. Hopefully not. Hopefully not as well, because I'm long. But honestly, NQ looks super strong. That is the point of idea. Like Nick said last time, you put some discretionary thinking on your trading, right? We want to use a mechanical way of taking a strategy, but then you're like, should I short this when we are retesting a big level on the daily chart? We're pushing forward the next high. Should we short it? Yeah, that's the point of like putting some discretionary thinking on it, right? That's what I think. That's what I think. So you see, for example, that case, it's not really working. Okay, it will get in bit. Yeah, it will get stopped out. But we're long. We're long. We're long. We're long. We're long. We're long very well, guys. It's beautiful. Why this kind of trade did not come when I was trading a week and a half ago? Nice trade, and I don't have the emotional of FOMO of thinking about I could have taken with all of the accounts copy traded. Nah, it doesn't matter right now. We're just learning and improving right now. We hope. This is already a beautiful push from the entry. We're already 41 points, and we just my take profit is the 150s. 150s are there. It's very soon. That's a beautiful candle there. That's a beautiful candle pushing there. Once you move your stop loss, it's a good, no, I don't think. I think it still can play around this 50 minutes range if it wants to retest it. Maybe something like it can retest and still play around it before going. But maybe move it, yes, below this candle here, this red one. Or below the 5 minutes one, that probably still this one. Yeah, this is still the 5 minutes low. Yeah, something like this probably right now. And probably even I'm up $250 with free macro. That's insane, because that's what people always miss. That I read a comment last time in Twitter, and it was saying, I don't understand why people trade with macro. With macro, you don't make money. That's what the guy said. How much we can bet? How much we can bet that this guy is unprofitable? It's 100% unprofitable trader. Good morning, Amita. How are you, man? How is it going? How much we really can bet that a guy that speaks and says stuff like that is unprofitable? Of course, you can make money with crypto and with micro. It's insane. And have good risk, even more. You can even make more money with micro, because if you have good risk, you are covering yourself for the loss. Okay. Okay. I wanted to remove 2 contracts there, but okay. Okay, and we're out, guys. That was insane trade. That was a beautiful trade there, guys. How much we started here? Stop loss was at this candle. That was the latest one, and the take profit there was a 1 to 2.38 risk reward. Crypto futures. No, I wanted to say micro contract. I wanted to say. I didn't want to say crypto. But maybe you're speaking about crypto because you have experience. Yeah, crypto. I'm not trading them. I have some crypto, but I'm holding them a long term, not touching them. I've done that mistake of trade. Guys, well, I will tell you a story. You're gonna laugh like when I think about it. So on the not the latest one, a few years ago when there was when there was the next new bull run with crypto after COVID. Me and my friend texted me and he was like, Amsa, we had a little coin bought IPO 2 years ago, and now it's going high. And I was like, what? And we have like 50-50. How much is it? And he was like, it's like $3,000. And then we spent like $100 on it, you know. So I was like, how much was it in Ethereum? And exchange it to Ethereum was 9 Ethereum. So I had 9 Ethereum. At that time, 9 Ethereum were $300, around that amount. And I was a beginner trader at the time. And I decided to do the smart things of trading this crypto, this 9 Ethereum. What happened to this 9 Ethereum? Lost all of them. What happened 3 months after this 9 Ethereum, they were $40,000. The value of this were $40,000. So imagine that. Did you thank me later when you turned off the stream yesterday? Did you thank me later when you turned off the stream yesterday? I don't understand what you mean there. My stream yesterday, I just closed it because I had to go back to work. And my battery was dying. Thank you, Nick, for the trades. Yeah, this trade was beautiful, right? This was a beautiful trade. It came out to be very nice. But they won't single you out to manipulate. I don't single you out. What does it mean, single you out? Alfonso, he made 2 trades, made money, is out. Very good job, Alfonso. Very freaking good job. Yeah, that is the point. It can go higher, it can go forever, it can go to the sky. We don't care. Because in the end, especially if you look at the next liquidity level, you've done your job already on this trade. Did you use the 1 minute chart as an entry candle? Did I? The 1 minute candle, the chart give you a candle? Not really, to be honest. The 3 minutes give you a candle, not the 1 minute. I'm 80% out. Oh, that's beautiful. If you're 80% out and you're just playing with running profits, you're good. You're totally good. So what I'm thinking, by the way, is do what I did with this evaluation. 61. Was it 161? Yes. Buying, selling, scalping on a big level. Look and give it a little room if it wants to come back a little bit more, coming back and scalp it on the way. And I've done that time ago and I found myself good. The only things at the time is that DCA was not allowed with Apex. And it's not that I want to DCA because I want to get, I don't accept the loss. That's not my case. Just DCA just to allow me a little bit of range. And we know my max loss is going to be $400-500 on the 50K account. That would be interesting to try on one account. Would be nice maybe to get one evaluation and do it fully for 6-7 days and try it fully. Would be very interesting. Textbook reset. Yeah, Jose, I saw it on your on your Discord post. That was a beautiful retest, to be honest. Look at that. How many times these 323,080 were rejected? Boom, boom, boom. Rejected again, rejected again. I come back. Created a first push. And then all these people that were buying here got stopped out. And then the real push came out. That's beautiful. That's really beautiful. That's really beautiful. Nothing to say on that. We nailed this one, this trade. I think also you do well when you have no pressure. Do something that relaxes you. You shouldn't care about losing. Yeah, I mean, I don't think I care much about losing. I mean, I've lost my, how much, 6 funded accounts last Friday. And I did not have the rush to come back and trading, to be honest. Like trading with my funded accounts strongly, like I was doing. No rush, to be honest. I'm trying to be mentally okay, relaxed. I mean, you know, I'm here with in a beautiful place, so I try to avoid stress coming from the fact that I have to make money right away. No, I don't have that. So thanks God I don't have that. Alhamdulillah, I don't have that pressure. So that's I think is a very important thing. So I always repeat is that if you can avoid the pressure of I have to make money from trading, you're a big step ahead of many people. Many people that have to be like I have to succeed now or I have to make money now is that they're destroying. Just a reminder to each one of you guys that we spoke yesterday with the coach is very important is the fact that your P&L, your profit is not winning. Positive profit is not winning. Winning is not profit. Process is winning. And process is and applying process is gonna give you the winning, and the winning is gonna give you the profit. So you have to focus on the fact that process is the only things that really matters at the end of the day when you're trading and during the moment, and nothing else. Not your P&L and the fact that you're up or down on the day. You do nice. Do journaling. Muhammad drinking does have, but I know you don't. Yeah. Maybe trading and being drunk. I think that a YouTuber that does that will become super famous. I think it will become super freaking famous. If you trade and you're drunk, you go viral. You go viral, guys. Who is that? Mufti. Jose, how is your trade? Who took trades? Afonso, I know, went short and then went long, and you did amazing. And who else, guys? What did you do today? Who did something here? Because you seem quiet today, guys. I don't know if it's because of my live. Yeah, it's my live as well. Up $70. How are you? How is your? How is going with your accounts, Mufti? How is how are you feeling with your trading and everything? Share with us. Not about your P&L. I don't give a shit. How are you feeling with your accounts? I was about to blow up all my accounts. You were closer, and now you're catching up. That's a beautiful push in the market. And now you're not good mentally today. You can leave. You can leave, my friend. Don't stay here. Just go. You are up $70. Close and go. Enjoy a coffee. Enjoy a moment with your family, with your children. And something trick your mind. trick your mind. Not good mentally. Your bad thoughts are winning on you. Okay, let's think about do this exercise, guys. Do this exercise. Close your eyes and then think about yourself screaming your name high. Then think about yourself screaming normal voice your name again. And then think about yourself saying, whispering down your name. So this exercise made you, what give you is the power and the realization that you can control everything in your thoughts. Everything. So if you're having negative thoughts, change them. Find the positive things on today. Give yourself a compliment. Tell yourself, Mufti, you've done great today. Mufti, you're doing amazing. Mufti, you're a great dad. You know? After Mufti is there. He removed his stop loss and finally he hits his target. Tell me what was your entry, Mufti, and what was your actual idea of stop loss? I'm just curious for everyone here because we're a family here. I've been there. I'm in it, Mufti. I'm in it. I understand you. So share what was your entry and what was your idea of stop loss? I'm just man. I understand your emotions. You're going through there, man. You took the short at 9:32 a.m. Okay, let's go to 1 minute chart. Took the short at 9. Let's change these things to short. 9:32 a.m. Where? At the closing of the candle or at the break of the candle? Oh fuck! I'm moving this one. Let's see. Where did you go at the break of the previous candle? And the TP is why my things is so hard here. And what was your TP? I guess at the lows, at the break of the lows here. So I'm trying to understand what was your trade idea. Okay, short 103. Okay. Oh, you were very nicely short. Oh, at the closing of the candle. Okay, after this closing candle here. Okay, 831 add. Okay, low of the day here. Okay, add that. My God, that's. And where was your stop loss? If you said that this time you didn't have a stop loss, where was your stop loss? I'm just so interested, by the way, because we understand your emotions, my friend. Oh, finally we're coming back to 18 people in this live stream. 108. Oh, I see. But I'm just, this is just curiosity, nothing to teach. No, you know me well, Mufti the cat. So you have a mechanical stop loss. So you enter, you have yourself a 5-point stop loss, right? That's your mechanical way. You don't have a stop loss based on the charts. Now, it's not a critical, nothing to make you change the strategy, it's just a curiosity. We know well that mechanical stop loss can work on a strategy. We've done it last year. We made money last year. Higher the previous candle, but higher the previous candle is 112, depending which time frame are you using. So your stop loss would have been here, not hit, no? That's the previous 1 minute candle. I don't know which time frame are you using. 30 seconds, then it's different. Yeah, then it's 112. So this trade, your trade would have not hit your stop loss no matter what. And you had a beautiful trade, by the way. You had a really beautiful trade. That was a beautiful trade. Even a free 1 to 3 risk reward. When you added 831, you added, what the fuck? What the heck you added? 23,831 is incorrect then. Where did you add? At 23,000. Where did you add? 83. Somewhere here? I guess you meant. You have a daily loss limit. I know it well. I see your point. Yeah, that does not make sense for me, my friend. Yeah, that does not make sense. So here you had a beautiful stop loss that made, okay, no critical, nothing. You can do whatever you like, whatever. Here you had a beautiful stop loss, and here you have a different stop loss just because your daily loss limit is put to a certain amount that you don't want to lose more, but then forces you to have a random position of a stop loss. Right? 2381. So you added, oh my God, you added here? Oh, that's why your stop loss would have been hit here. I see your point. Wow, you added very low, my friend. But I see your point as well. You decided to add on a strong candle. Yeah, I see your point there. I see your point, but still, I don't know. It's weird. You just leave it. Yeah. I trust you, my friend. I really trust you. Alfonso used the 931 candle and then at the lows, I guess. It's a challenge every day, my friend. It's the challenge. Every day is different. And every day we have to handle it mentally very strong. Like, every day we come, but that is the point of having actual strategy and a process to follow. This mental factor gets less important over time because you start to trust the process and enjoying the process and accepting whatever outcome it comes. But of course, especially when you're break-even for a long time, I mean, if can understand you, it's frustrating. It comes to be frustrating, and I know that it came frustrating for me last week and 2 weeks ago. So you've done amazing, my friend, to take out your win today. It's absolutely insane. We're coming back. Let's see if we can make some more money here with this account. I like the idea that we can bounce from this all this area here, but we come very strong. What's your job to do? The most easy, yeah. My win was with one NQ at 10 a.m. for 10 points. Break of the 15 minutes candle? Is that? What is it? What is it? Here. No. 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 Here. So this, you took the break here higher and you looked for 10 points. Oh, that's okay. Oh my God, you're still using the 50 minutes break. That's beautiful, man. That's freaking beautiful. Let's look for 10 points there. I should, yeah, you see, my idea of looking for longs around this area was made sense. Look at Discord. Come to Discord, my friend. Give me a second. Feel long. Let me get to my second entry at 40s. I like it. Let me see your Discord post. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. $200. Ah, you lost $130 in the previous one, but you're up on $70. Ah, you got stopped out on this one. But it hit your daily max loss. Wait. Oh yeah, I understand you, Mufti, but we're gonna bounce back, my friend. We're gonna bounce, and what I mean when we're gonna bounce, because we're gonna bounce all together as a team. So don't rush on it. It's coming. It's coming, my friend. Yes, Afonso. Don't force anything. Don't trade anything. You're done. You did amazing. Yes, man. Mufti, don't be sorry. Yeah, I bitch every day. Every day. Oh my God, I lost so much frames right now. Okay, now I'm back. My live stream is back. Look at the one you got stopped out. Where is it? You put another. Oh, okay. You put another. Oh my God! You shorted? You But oh, now I see. You shorted. You added here. You added after, but the loss were already taken. If I can just say something, that makes for me the only thing is that the shorts were already taken. So shorting after again was a bit problematic. If you mean shorting before the low was taken, that's different. But after the low was taken, shorting again. And yeah. I mean, the fact of your added position instead of like taking out. Yeah. It's true. It's not about one trading day. It's about winning on multiple continuation trading days, guys. We're gonna move to less ticks here. Yeah, look at that. Abdel is the PA loser. Abdel was like, I need 6 PA right now. And I told him, don't need to rush. And he told me, I will just have them to keep them there. This PAs endured a few days. Life. 23.17. Ah, you were looking at the low of the day. I see. I was looking at the London session low. You see. I see your point. Yeah. I see your point, Mufti. It's okay, man. You're at least you're green on the day. $70. We take it home. We take it home. We take it home. So I got on my 40s, did not get in. Okay, good fill long. Let's see if this is gonna be a crashing trade. The 30s will be my next entry, and this will be, and the 20s will be probably my stop out from this trade. But this is good, a good area of bouncing. Bounce once, bounce two, bounce three. Let's see if it's gonna bounce again. I don't get like this often. Yeah, man, don't worry, man. We know that. We know you're very calm, man. And trading is a piece of crap. It takes you to the next level, man. It takes you to the next level. It takes you to the next level of mental strength. Yes. Yes, remember that. What did I freaking hell? Every time 80% is there, guys. My code Hamza, as always. You can use it, and it supports the channel. If you're buying Apex accounts, if you're not buying Apex accounts, you're welcome to be here, no matter what. So my TP is just a few ticks above that previous candle, and that previous candle is rejecting it. Yeah, sometimes we are not that kind of person, right? But it's good to release some stress. You can speak with us. We understand you. That is the difficult part of trading, is that sometimes you have these things inside you, and you don't know with who you want to speak, because no one trades around you, and they wouldn't understand your emotions, right? So it's good that you speak with us, that we know you. We know you. If a crazy bad emotion day is positive, that is a step forward compared to where you would have been 6 months ago or a year ago. 100%. Imagine, you're right. Oh, wow, that's we're gone to the bottom here. We're down $100 on the day. That is a good example of me in a few. That's not even that bad. That's not even that bad. No, that's totally wrong, because the PNL is based on the last position. Oh, this sucks. Okay. We could see the lows. To be honest, yes. After I've taken them again, we can come back again. Right? Look what Nick said there. Oh, sorry for the video code, guys. Look what Nick said there. What you are right now is not what you were a year ago. Yeah, put it back, your auto liquidation, man. Put it back. Compare your bed to your previous bed. I like that. Yeah, good. The previous good. I agree as well. Many of them were they're not good comparison. Yeah, I'm just paper trading as well. It's my evaluation right now. Coming back to my TP here, hopefully. Let's go back to the 3 minutes candles. Trading is hard, guys. I wish it was that easy. I wish. I'm looking if it is 40 are holding. I'm already in a position on the 40s. I'm gonna go to the 30s again. We got fill long again. I would like to understand how much I should. Where is it possible to change on Quantower the fact that this loss should not be the loss of the last trade? If you see what I mean. I don't like to see the. It calculates the loss on the average with the of the last trade, something like that, or the last entry. I don't understand. Yeah, short up there was nice, to be honest. Taking these highs was very freaking good idea. Like buying here was not the greatest idea ever. So right now I should not be up $200. I should be much more down. If I flatten my position right now, because let's think about, okay, it's going down. I don't like it. It's not bouncing anymore. I flatten my position. I'm down $70, and I was up $180. So after all these trades taken here, I lost around $250. Okay, that's very good to know. That's how Apex does it? Well, what do you mean? You mean the entry here? No, this is a Quantower things, if that's what you mean. This is a Quantower settings, because if you use Ninja Trader, it's different, and if you use Tradovate, it's different as well. So no, it's not it's platform based. Apex does not have control of any of this. That's what really Apex does not have any control of these trades. Zero. Especially Quantower is just a platform that receives data from Rithmic and decides how to want to show them to their customers. And they do that by showing the best data as possible for their customers. If the data is the data for them is just the entry and exit, what is the market, and they decide to show how much is the PNL calculated for them, not based on Apex or anything. Very good to know right now. So I want to go to my performance report here and see how much I lost in the last trades there. I'm just very curious about it. So I was up, then I lost. I lost 26, 150 to 150. No, that's 70, 150, 80. No, that's not even that bad. Okay, it's doable. It's really doable. I like that. Guys, I think I'm gonna call it right now. Today was a beautiful day to test, try. Even we took a trade with our PA 48, and we made money. It was a beautiful trade, and I think you saw it during the live. So there was a beautiful trade here we've taken. Stop loss was below here. Take profit was here, and we managed to keep it until the take profit. I also took the long. I moved to the made money. If you made money, guys, I don't know. It really doesn't matter. Remember, always the process. The only thing that matters. Process is winning. Just remember that. Say it again. Process is winning. And nothing is not about your PNL. PNL is not winning. Profit is winning. Guys, have a beautiful day. See you tomorrow. Hopefully with the Wi-Fi getting always better and better. Today I think it was not that bad. But let's see on the next days. Today I'm gonna work with the router side, and hopefully we're gonna make some changes. For the rest, guys, thank you so much. Have a beautiful day, and remember 80% with Apex. If you're using Apex, that's the way. Thank you guys. Love you all.